All right, cool people. We're about to go down the Mighty River for a 2 day camping exploration is what we think we're going. We get picked up on the way to work. But we're going to try to get on down this river, and we got this sun dolphin, and it's going to get us there. We got a fishing pole, some rope, bottle of water, some water shoes, a dry bag with some goodies, and we got to get some ice. Which ice won't make it long for us, but we ain't got to worry about that because it's already dark outside. It's like 9 o'clock at night. And we're about to go put in on the rapids and knock through it. But we do have a moon. And so we got a moon. So we should be fine. Let y'all know what's going on in. Well, folks, we have made camp. We made it out here in the dark. Air putting in was A-OK. And we done got set up down here right before we got to some rapids. Got a small little fire going. Just enough to keep something from biting too bad, I reckon. See if we can't show you the tent. Got tent on the scene. Got kayak. River is out there. And it's just flat rock. Hopefully nothing get us. Wish y'all could see how pretty it is out here, but it's dark. So I reckon I'll show you in the morning. Till then, hopefully we'll have a good night. What's up, guys? We made it the morning. We's back on site. Itty bitty tent. Slept pretty good, actually. Fire just threw some more old yum yum on it. There's some big logs and stuff out here. Used to be an old railroad track, bunch of birds. Pretty alright. Back before this became a third world country, and we weren't off in the middle of the Amazon. They used to have a choo-choo bridge right there. Sweet gum, Amazon. But we slept good, and we was about to finish packing up. Everything stayed good and dry. I stayed good and dry. Tent stayed good and dry, which the only thing that really showed any dew on it was this one trash bag. But I had it covering up the kayak so it'd stay nice and dry in there. Well, he's about ready to go. Still got a cooler full of ice. It ain't actually a cooler, but we still got ice. Let's see if we can make it on down to another spot. See y'all in a little bit. Well, we're out here on the river, and there's been a few little fun spots. We done made it down to some good calm stuff, but nice and easy flowing. Let's see if we can. We've been kayaking along. Reel this thing in. Should have already had fish on there for you. Video catching old fish. This thing here focus. Oh me, is it gonna focus? Clean the lens. Voila, there we go. Well, let's do a little bit more paddling. This thing here, I tell you what. There we go. That might work a little better. Been seeing a bunch of turtles and critters, and haven't seen too much hitting the top of the water this morning. There was a nice waterfall a good little ways back. That still sounds pretty. River's pretty far down right now. It ain't rained in a while. Sun's starting to come on up a little bit close to the top. We still got a good bit of shade. I know there's gonna be some sunny spots coming up. I'll probably catch back up with y'all somewhere around lunch. There's some of them flowers, river lilies or something. Ooh, looks like a cool little curve coming up around this corner. I don't think we got any more exciting spots. Just all the cool creatures and stuff like that. Might see a bald buzzard, whatever they call them names. Did see a buzzard eating a dead turtle. We're gonna mosey on down through here. Cast that line a few more times. Catch up with y'all in a little while. All right, so we're back at it again. We done made it down to a nice little spot. Seems like a pretty good fishing hole too. Got a couple little spots over yonder. Been alright. Then you get a little bit of extra good stuff coming in. Got a creek coming in right there. There used to be an old bridge here. Back a long time ago. Or something. You can see. Probably used to even be a mill down here. Anyway, got a small little twig fire. Waiting on it to die down just a little bit more. A little too hot. Cook some lunch on. Got some snacks and fishing equipment. Eating old egg. And some good old steak in a can. With the crackers. Yep. We done fixed us more eggs. A little campfire done went out. You can't even barely see. But we're gonna finish eating. Get some dessert up in us. And do our trolley. We'll be ready to hit the water again. See y'all shortly. Well, y'all, I got bad news. My old lady's dad, or my father-in-law, is at the hospital. And so everybody's fussing at me for not singing Kumbaya with my old lady or something. Which her dad's gonna be fine. He just need to go to the hospital. But he'll be alright. He's still pretty young. We're just down here at a boat ramp. Boats normally go south of here. They don't do too good going north. Too rocky up that way. And was wanting to go on down further. Camp at a cave down yonder. Eat all my good fixings. Cook all my yummies. But instead, we sitting at a boat ramp waiting on a ride. Till next time, y'all. Thanks for watching.